Hi, within this lecture, we're going to discuss how hackers use social engineering strategies in order to hack Instagram accounts. And as I said before, 90% of the time, Instagram hackings are done with this method. And you're going to see what it is in a minute. And remember, you shouldn't do that while you're not allowed to. You can get yourself in trouble, okay? Because most of the people fall for this, and you don't want that because it's illegal. But you have to learn this because you want to make yourself safe and you want to make your organization safe, because this method, it can be also used for obtaining some other passwords like company passwords and other stuff as well. We're going to create a fake website in which we will ask for the username and the password of Instagram account of a target user, okay? And you have to come up with a creative strategy. Like I know some guys that ask for people's password claiming that they will give them blue ticks. So you know the blue ticks Instagram has, they give it to the verified accounts, to the celebrities, and people fell for that. They thought that they're going to get some blue ticks verified accounts. On the contrary, they got hacked. So I have downloaded an phishing Instagram social engineering script from the internet, and we're going to upload it to a website, and we're going to launch that website and test if we can gather the passwords and the usernames of target users. I'm going to show you how to do that, don't worry. I went to the Google and I searched for Instagram phishing script 2018 or 19, it doesn't matter. It has to be current, okay? And I found out one, because you will find out a lot of them. Let me show you what this script does. Of course, we're going to use that script in a real web page, and we have to make sure that it doesn't contain any harmful data, any harmful codes. And I'm going to delete the harmful codes inside of it, and I'm going to share the codes in the lecture resources so you can easily download it, because you don't want to search for Google and find it on your own and try to analyze the harmful codes and stuff. I'm going to do that for you and upload this code into the lecture resources. So this code basically just takes the username and the password of the victim and redirects the victim to the real Instagram web page, and user will think that this won't even work, this doesn't even work, and they will just close this down like it never happened and continue their daily routine. However, it doesn't only redirect user to the Instagram page, it also saves the password and saves the username, and there is a way to get that password and username with the script. And now I'm going to find a free web hosting just to show you how this works. And of course, real hackers in real life examples actually get some real hostings. They don't use free web hostings because it will look suspicious. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to work with free web hosting, and I believe after I do that in 000webhouse.com, a lot of students will do that as well, and in time this 000webhouse.com will block our script. And you can go to GoDaddy and buy a domain for your own website for $10 and try this as well, but I believe this isn't necessary. You can try this on a free web hosting. If this 000webhouse.com blocks this script, you can find another free web hosting company and try your own in that website as well. So this is where you need to fill up if you want a free sign up. So you need to give a username and an email, and then just click on here, get free hosting. Okay, so it will create a free hosting for you. And I'm going to name my website like Test Instagram. You can just choose your own name because this is only going to be a test web page. So my web page will be testinstagram.000webhouse.com, and this is very fishy. Even though I choose a very strong name, it will be fishy as well. So most of the users, most of the victims don't fall for this stuff. However, in the real world, bad hackers really get a paid hosting and domain name, and they just get something like get your blue tick, get your account verified, and have a professional design so that they can just trick the victims. I'll just continue with the free version, and as you can see, it gives me my username and it asks me for an email confirmation. So you have to go to your email and confirm this and then come back to this website. Of course, I'm now working with 000webhouse.com. If you work on different company providing free web hosting, you have to create your account and just go to your free website. So it takes me to a dashboard, okay? And I see a file manager button in here. So even if you work with another company rather than 000webhouse.com, it will surely have a file manager, and this provides us opportunity to upload our files to our website. So our website basically needs an index.html and the files working with it. Okay, and as I come here, I will see a public HTML folder. This is like our HTML folder in the Apache server, and I need to upload my files into this public HTML folder in order to make them visible. So all I have to do is just upload the files that I have downloaded from the internet. And remember, you're going to download this from the lecture resources on Udemy. So I have my index.html and other PHP files that are working with it. Okay, so remember, we have used Apache server and it has this web root in the HTML folder. So we are doing the same thing. So we have put our folders in here before and it displayed on our Apache server. Now we're going to put our files in here so they will be visible on our website. So I'm going to say upload files from here. Okay, click on this button. It will pop open a window which I will say select files, and it will ask me which files I want to upload. I will choose index.html and post.php. So I'm going to upload those files, and now we are ready to go. Actually, this is it. Now we have created our website. So now we can go to our website and see if it actually works. I believe our address is atilsam.000webhouse.com. So you can just go to your own website by clicking in here, and it will open a web page for you. And as you can see, now we have a basic Instagram login page in here. So bad hackers, black hat hackers actually try to enhance this look to make it look more convincing. But basically, if you give a username and if you give a password in here, and if you click login, it will take you to the real page of Instagram.com, and you will think that this website doesn't even work and close this down. However, on the background, it saved this information. So if you come here and type password.html, you can see the captured files and captured usernames and the passwords. As you can see, the username is test and the password is test123, and you can see the IP as well. And of course, I'm blocking the IP, I'm censoring the IP so that you cannot see my own public IP. And now you know how bad hackers actually social engineer people into giving their passwords and stealing Instagram passwords. And this method can be used for Facebook, and this method can be used for Twitter as well. All you have to do is find a way to run the script in a web hosting and social engineer people into coming here and giving their passwords. So let's stop here, and within the next lecture we're going to discuss how we can make ourselves safe against these kind of attacks.